Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. If you are looking for a modern and latest consumer things, then keep your worries aside, because you are in the right place. Here we present the best and the latest gadget of this year. Today I am going to make a video on best TV stand at an affordable price of 2023. If you really like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the product links are given. Product 1. Product name: TV stand. The TV stand for 65-inch is a versatile and stylish piece of furniture designed to accommodate large-screen televisions, specifically those with a 65-inch diagonal size. This TV stand serves as an entertainment center and is constructed from wood, providing both durability and an attractive aesthetic. Any of the standout features of this TV stand is its design, which incorporates 4 open shelves. These shelves offer ample storage and display space, making it a practical addition to any living room. You can use these shelves to store various media components such as DVD players, gaming consoles, cable boxes, and more. Additionally, the open design allows for easy cable management, keeping your entertainment area organized and clutter-free. The TV stand is finished in a sleek black color, making it a versatile choice that can complement a variety of interior design styles. Whether your decor is modern, traditional, or eclectic, the black finish can blend seamlessly into your living room. This TV stand is designed to comfortably accommodate a 65-inch television. Its sturdy construction ensures that your TV will be securely supported, providing a safe and stable platform for your entertainment needs. Product 2. Product name: Lism TV stand. Lism TV stand is a stylish and functional furniture piece designed to accommodate 65-inch televisions and enhance the organization and aesthetics of your living room or entertainment area. This TV stand, which serves as a media console and entertainment center, is equipped with open shelves that offer ample storage and display space for various multimedia devices, decor items, and other essentials. Any of the key features of the Lism TV stand is its capacity to hold larger TVs, making it suitable for modern, spacious living rooms where larger screens are preferred. This stand is designed with a contemporary look, allowing it to seamlessly blend with various interior design styles. The open shelves not only provide convenient storage for your media equipment, such as DVD players, gaming consoles, and cable boxes, but also allow you to showcase decorative items like vases, picture frames, or collectibles, adding a personalized touch. Durability and stability in mind, the Lism TV stand is typically made from high-quality materials that ensure the longevity of the product and its ability to support the weight of your television and other electronics. It often features cable management solutions to keep cords and cables organized and out of sight, contributing to a cleaner and more organized live. Product 3. Product name: 59 TV stand. 59 TV stand is a stylish and functional furniture piece designed to accommodate TVs of up to 65 inches. This TV stand features a unique design with 2 handmade rattan-decorated doors, which not only add a touch of natural elegance, but also provide a practical storage solution. With its 59-inch width, this TV stand offers ample surface space for placing your television, media players, and other entertainment devices. The top surface is sturdy and spacious enough to support large flat-screen TVs, making it an ideal choice for modern home entertainment setups. The inclusion of 2 handcrafted rattan doors adds a distinct and natural aesthetic to the TV stand. Rattan is a sustainable and eco-friendly material known for its durability and unique texture, making it a visually appealing addition to any living room or entertainment area. In terms of functionality, this TV stand provides ample storage space behind the rattan doors. You can clutter-free. Product 4. Product name: Greenforest TV stand. Greenforest TV stand is a versatile and stylish entertainment center designed to accommodate televisions up to 65 inches in size. This TV stand is an ideal addition to any living room, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Any of the standout features of the Greenforest TV stand is its ample storage capacity. With 6 storage cabinets, this unit provides plenty of space to organize and store various media accessories, gaming consoles, DVDs, or any other items you might want to keep in your living room. This thoughtful design helps keep your space neat and clutter-free. Measuring at 55 inches in length, the TV stand is well suited for medium to large-sized TVs, making it a versatile choice for many home entertainment setups. Its contemporary design and sleek finish enhance the overall look of your living space, contributing to a modern and sophisticated atmosphere. The Greenforce TV stand is not only practical but also sturdy screen TVs.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.